The man was taken into custody and charged with trespassing after warning.
Put it in my pocket.
Yes.
He hasn't been resisting anything. He hasn't been under arrest for anything. What are y'all putting him under arrest for?
Because we told him that he was trespassing on property and delete.
And he got off the
and then he came back onto the property.
Police were called to a McDonald's after employees reported that a group of 6 people were yelling at staff, refusing to leave, and allegedly attempting to get behind the counter.
How you doing?
Hey.
I want to talk to her. She had most of the experience.
Okay, which one? The one in the purple shirt?
Yes, sir.
Can you come out here with us? Are they still here? Inside?
No, they're not inside.
Okay.
They were in that SUV.
Which one?
Employees told officers that the group was sitting in a nearby SUV and provided a description of one of the individuals involved.
Are they in this one? Oh, hang on. Is this the SUV?
Yeah.
Is that them? Who were they?
She had an orange shirt, so yeah. They probably waiting on
Okay.
food. So they probably have somebody in here
And
with
they went
them.
behind the counter?
I think they were with one of the guys. They still in here.
Okay.
So they
All right. They went behind the counter?
Because they were yelling and screaming.
You want them trespassed?
They are.
Or are you the manager?
Departing manager. That should be
I'm on shift right now. I'm the
Okay.
manager.
I'll
on
just need
shift.
somebody's ID, okay?
What happened?
I don't know. I was trying to get some food.
Okay. Where's everybody else at?
Wrong car.
When officers arrived, they began speaking with a man and a woman who were sitting in the SUV. The man immediately became argumentative and spoke aggressively toward officers.
You sure?
Positive.
They said a female in an orange shirt.
Well, go check it there and see if it's another female in an orange shirt. You car. Wrong car. Why are you walking up on
Ma'am,
us?
it's a lot going on. Is there a reason you're being hostile toward me?
I'm not hostile, man. I'm sitting down. What are you talking about? Hostile. This is me.
What happened inside the McDonald's? Ma'am.
Yeah, what I just told you. Shut the f up.
Hey, be quiet.
Don't give a fuck.
Whoa. He's tripping.
Yeah, whoa.
Yeah.
I control my women. Yeah. You whoa.
How old are you?
Whoa, don't worry.
Are you an
You
adult?
wrong question. Are you an adult?
ma'am.
Are you an adult?
Can I talk to you?
Okay,
Don't
then.
yell at me.
Look, I'm not yelling. I can do whatever I want to do. Don't tell me what to do. Not my mama, nor my daddy. Get your ugly ass away from me. You ugly as right. Fuck up my face.
Can you come right here? I want to talk to all three of y'all.
I'm telling you. Yeah, I'm like that. Yeah, I'm one of him.
Go stand on the sidewalk, okay?
I'm one of them.
I'm listening.
Do you have your ID on you?
No, I don't. But I'm talking to all
Come on over here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What's his problem?
He's bipolar.
The female told officers that her boyfriend, the argumentative man, was bipolar.
I can tell. but-
Okay, please don't listen to him right now.
Well, hang on.
Okay.
Come on over here and talk to me.
Of course.
Okay, so
I respect all y'all.
which one was you were climbing behind the counter?
Okay, nobody was behind the counter. I'm gonna tell y'all my story.
Shortly afterward, another group of 2 people approached, turning the scene into chaos as everyone tried to talk at the same time.
You got your ID?
Right there. We're gonna talk to everybody individually.
Excuse me.
Okay, I'll talk to you. But understand,
I'll talk to you.
they got
like,
cameras.
Sure, I understand that. I'm
No.
trying to tell y'all what happened.
Well, these clowns came out and were being abrupt.
From everybody that was involved because they want you
I
guys all
wasn't
trespassed.
involved. I'm trying to tell you what just happened. I don't know what they're talking
Okay, but
about.
they want you guys trespassed, so I need you guys IDs.
You still not understand. You trying to? Can you just understand what I'm saying, sir?
2 of the men insisted that they were not involved in what had happened inside the restaurant.
I was not involved with anything. Something just happened. She just kicked me out for no reason. The other guy in there that works there, a manager, he just said I can order my food. Everything was cool. She was in there. You feel me? Everything was cool, and now she just out of a sudden.
So then why are they kicking you guys out if you weren't involved? Are you with this car?
Exactly. This is my car,
Okay.
but I'm not involved. I didn't do nothing. I didn't say nothing at all. You can check the camera. I didn't say nothing. I wasn't in there when nothing happened. When something happened, I walked inside. Something was going on. I didn't know nothing. I didn't say nothing. I walked back out here, and then I came back inside. That's it. I didn't say nothing to nobody. I didn't do nothing. I didn't.
So who was in there causing problems then?
I don't know, sir. I just told you. I walked in after the fact,
Okay.
and that's what I'm saying.
Were you in there? Do you know what happened? What happened?
Really ain't nothing happened.
Okay.
So you want me to be real with you?
Yeah, be real with me. What happened inside? Why did we get called out here?
Cause
I'm finna go to my car.
He
That's cool.
stepped to the
My lights
side.
on, that's all. I'm just finna turn my lights
Stepped
off.
to the side, acting like he was finna.
What lights are on?
I'm not involved with nothing, sir.
What
And
lights
I got
are
my
on?
license. I got everything good.
Okay, you said the lights aren't on though.
See that? Oh, the door open.
Yeah, door's open.
No, I ain't know that. Yes, sir.
You good?
Stepped to the side like he was finna get behind the counter.
No, she canceled it.
But he wasn't. You feel me?
So you never actually went behind the counter? You stand? Was he standing like to the side of the counter?
I can't really tell for real exactly where he was standing. But yeah. She started tripping. Like real deal tripping, trying to kick us out and shit, something
Who was
inside.
the one that tried to go behind the counter? Or acted like they were gonna go behind the counter?
Hey, Rachel, get in the car. They just said we gotta leave or they're finna take us to jail. Get in the car.
As officers continued their investigation, the man became increasingly frustrated and started arguing with the others.
Touch her though. Don't grab on
Man,
her.
I can grab on my
Have
lady.
I don't care who she is to
Talking
you.
about. Bitch, you can't tell me what to grab on.
I certainly
Get your ugly
can.
ass away from the door. And now you see me still grab my hoe. What?
Grab your what?
Oh, okay. Fuck you talking about. You heard me. Cracker.
No, I didn't.
You heard me. That's
Or
why
you're
you laughed.
going
What?
to jail.
I'm leaving right now. I'm leaving right now, yo ugly ass.
That's fine.
I'm leaving right now. You see me get in the car. Stop talking to me.
Leave.
Twin, come on so we can slide.
He eventually told them to leave and walked away from the area himself.
Twin, come on so we can slide, Sam.
No, I hear you, but you're doing too much, fam.
Let's just slide.
Let's just slide, but you're not driving.
You don't hear the
220
cracker?
pound, baby.
Say
Get
if
the
you don't
28
leave,
for
you
the
go to
vehicle.
jail. What the fuck you sis? Man, alright, I'm finna walk off. I'm finna walk home.
Copy.
I'm finna walk home because you sit here like a bitch. Like, fuck you talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Whole ass. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. I'm going. I'm finna keep letting nigga talk to me crazy. I ain't did shit.
Who's driving home?
I'm driving. This is my vehicle.
You have your ID on you?
Huh?
You have your ID on you?
No, I don't have my
Exactly.
ID.
Fuck them crackers. They're not.
Bro, okay, let him go. Okay, fam.
Okay.
Can we get his
I'm
ID?
not trying to do all that extra shit. I'm not on that, fam.
You wear that shit every day.
Dog.
You broke your
Hey, and you're going to jail.
I won't go to jail.
Good night.
Get your broke ass out of here.
Keep going. He trying to talk shit. Just leave him alone. He trying to boot you up. Just leave him alone, bro.
Do you have an ID on you?
Huh?
You have your ID on you, sir? Okay, so you can't drive. You don't have ID.
I can't drive, sir. I just got my shit.
So you have a driver's license?
Huh?
You have a driver's license?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we get your name real quick?
Yes, sir. Everything I'm good.
As soon as we can get your guys' information, we
You know
can get
his
you guys
name?
out.
I just know. I don't know his name.
Write down your name, there, bro.
Yes, sir. Okay.
No, hold on, because I really want to. I know he told me. I know I want to talk to you though, because y'all keep talking over me. It's pissing me off.
You was not trying to come in tonight. I can tell.
I'm on over, son.
You tired as fuck.
Yep. None of that.
Okay.
I walked in after the fact trying to order
Okay?
my sister's food, and you know,
So you didn't see anybody go behind
no
the counter?
sir, I wasn't in there for that. I don't know what's going on. That's what I'm trying to tell you, sir.
Well, I don't want to have to get them to get the camera footage. It'd be
No,
just
you
nice if
can
somebody
do.
could
You
give
gotta
us.
do it. You gonna
Okay.
you gonna see.
That's what it is.
I wasn't
I'm
in there.
trying to talk to all of
I
y'all.
don't know what's going on. What the fuck?
For y'all to understand. I don't want
She
y'all
kicked me out for no reason. The other McDonald's worker was gonna get me right.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you, sir? Sir, do you have your ID on you? Yeah. They're trespassing you guys, so we need to identify you.
You ain't got nothing to do with this.
What you mean?
a part of that. You ain't got nothing to do
I was
with
not
this.
even a part of
You're
this.
not
I know.
nothing like that. You're not a part of this or nothing like
All right,
that.
dude, do me a favor, just walk away so I can talk to your buddy over here, okay?
I'm talking to my brother.
I know. I'm talking.
Come on over here, man. Come on over here. I just need to talk to you real quick and I'll get you out of here, okay?
What did I do?
All right, what's your last name?
I understand that. You know what I'm saying? I just don't want y'all to feel like we're bad people because that's really not the case.
I don't. And I
Okay.
appreciate it.
And that's all I really care about. I really apologize. What's your name?
Officer Step.
Officer Step?
Yeah, STEPP.
What's your name? What is it? Dumont. Okay, I really appreciate y'all.
What's his boyfriend?
His name is Amari. He's bipolar though. He's bipolar.
While officers were still speaking with the remaining people, the man returned and began yelling again.
I don't know. We haven't gotten his 43.
Bro, Mario.
I don't think he gave it to me. Step was talking to him. He's being a complete dick.
Cuz, calm.
Shaquille, Shaquille, bro. What's your middle name?
He's already been trespassed first step, so he's going to jail.
Officers warned him multiple times that he needed to leave the property and that he was being trespassed from the location. Despite those warnings, he remained on the property and continued causing a disturbance. Once officers confirmed that he had returned after being ordered to leave, they moved in to detain him.
Tell me
No,
his
I
last
know,
name.
but he's bipolar for real.
Rachel, look at me. What's his last name?
Look, sir.
We need
ask
to-
him
we
what
need
his
to-
last name is. Okay, don't ask.
He's
me.
not talking to me.
Come here.
256, confirming you already trespassed him, correct?
I'm not gonna run. I'm not gonna make you run. No, you ain't gotta call that. What I'm just saying? Yep. I don't go down. I'm not gonna do all you here. Sam, why y'all?
Hands behind the back.
Put your hands on your back.
Fucking around.
What am I doing, Sam? What am I doing?
Got it?
What am I doing? Besides get my people so I can go home. Bro, what is y'all
Hey, stay back! Last warning, you move one more step, you're going to jail too. Try me, go ahead, see what happens.
Man, just chill, let them do what the f they gotta do. If y'all would have my bitch come with me, I wouldn't be right here on the floor. Shut the f up. All y'all dumb as fuck.
Roll on your side so you can breathe.
Yes, sir.
You got anything on you?
No, I ain't got nothing going on in my pocket. I give you consent.
No, go back with your buddy. You're gonna go in handcuffs. No, you look. Go over there or you're gonna go in handcuffs.
What am I gonna get a handcuff for?
Because we're trying to deal with them and you're walking up on us. You need to go back over your buddy right now.
Look,
You have 10 seconds.
Sir, can you
One,
talk to me? Can we need
Two,
Go over there, or you're gonna go to jail.
Like, come on. I'm trying to
Go over there, you're gonna go to jail.
no, they're just not cooperating.
I'm right here, but I'm trying to talk to y'all. Y'all, please.
We're not talking to you right now.
Sir,
I'm dealing
why
with
you
them,
being so rude,
and I will talk
though?
to you in a minute.
Can you talk to me right now?
I don't even know what's going on.
And I'm trying
okay?
to explain to
I am
y'all
not
what's going
looking to you
on.
to explain to me right
Because
now.
y'all are so
I'm
focused
trying
on
to.
the concept right now. I'm trying to tell y'all what's going on. Y'all are ignorant as fuck, bro. What the
I'm handcuffed where y'all both got you put my stuff in my pocket.
No,
What you mean? Why?
it's going to the jail.
Exactly. I'm going to the jail, ain't I?
Keelan, is this yours?
So
The man was taken into custody and charged with trespassing after warning.
put it in my pocket.
Yes.
He hasn't been resisting anything. He hasn't been under arrest for anything. What are y'all putting him under
Because
arrest
we told him
for?
that he was trespassing on property and delete.
And he got off the
And then he came back onto the
He
property.
got off the property already.
Dumbass hoe, I wouldn't be in color. Ugly
Is this phone over there?
man, shut the f up. Oh, I'm already going to
This
jail.
is the
Shut
keys,
your
too.
ugly ass up. You won't get no respect for me. You won't get no respect for me. For what? It's freedom of speech. I can say what the f I want to
Shut up.
You shut up, ugly ass cracker. You shut up.
Get a haircut.
You shut up. Bitch, you get a haircut.
Get a job.
That nasty ass guy. I got a job. Ah, you thought.
You ain't got
You
shit.
thought I was in the streets.
Yeah.
You thought I was in the streets. I make more money than you. How
No,
much
you
you make an hour? You get paid salary, don't it?
No, I get paid by the hour.
How much you make an
Where's
hour?
this fool work?
How much you make an hour?
Where's he work? He don't have a
Make an
job.
hour. How much your broke ass make an hour?
He don't have a
You
job.
broke as fuck.
If he gets
You
consent,
broke
can
his
I get his
fuck.
phone? Right?
No, the clocker got my phone back there. Why you grab me like I'm gonna run? Where am I gonna run? With handcuffs on my back, cracker.
All right, widen your stance.
See my stairs. How many times I gonna check me? What you gonna check me again?
Yep.
Don't grab my dick. I'm not gay. I know your faggot ass.
Everybody just get in your car, just leave.
Rachel, why your dumb ass ain't go home when I say you dumbass bitch? Not look at me.
I literally just
Not
got
look at me. Back in jail.
Please get your vehicles and leave. Thank you. It's all good.
All right, you better stand it back in.
You wasn't here, so I just want to ask
Let's switch sides.
no, it's up to me.
Yes, I am, you dumbass bitch. Yes, I am. Dumbass bitch. Yes, I am.
Leave.
Dumbass
Guys on
bitch. Yes, I am.
Goodbye, leave.
Dummy. You dumb as fuck. You dumbass bitch. Now I can't get back out. Dumbass bitch. I told you to leave. I told you to leave.
Leave. Just
You still
leave.
trying to sit up talking to this crap.
Go home.
I told you to leave. Shut the fuck
Go
up.
home.
Dumbass bitch. There's nothing you can say. There's nothing you can say. Dummy. You're dumb as fuck, cracker. No, that bitch right there. Go. Shut the fuck up talking to me, man. Shut the fuck up talking to me.
Watch your head.
You ain't going back here.
Why is he getting arrested if
I
he
told
has
you
a ride
twice.
home?
He was trespassed. We told him to leave.
And I
He walked away and then walked back twice. It's on body camera. He put himself in that position. And the way he's talking to you, I wouldn't put up with it. You seem like a very respectable young lady, so that's all I'm going to say. But you do have to leave because you're trespassed as well.
All right.
Okay?
Y'all,
So I don't know if you're riding with them. It looks like they're about to
I
leave.
really understand.
Okay?
Okay, I really understand where y'all are coming from, but he has a ride with us. He couldn't just leave
now he's gonna
without
go
a
with us.
ride. So he's getting taken to
He
jail.
did it to himself. He is. He's an adult. He did it to himself.
Please get in the vehicle and leave. This is all starting over again, okay? This is only going to get worse. You need to get in the car and leave, okay? Thank you.